In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Metatrader 5 app. If you're using a Windows PC, removing Metatrader 5 is straightforward, and I'll walk you through exactly what to expect so there are no surprises. Start by opening your control panel. From there, go to Programs, then choose Programs and Features. This is the place where Windows lists everything installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Metatrader 5. When you see it, right-click the entry and select Uninstall or Uninstall Change. This launches the MT5 Uninstall Wizard, which will guide you through the rest of the process on screen. As the wizard opens, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to remove the application. Simply follow the prompts. The process usually takes a minute or two, depending on your system. During this part, you may see a checkbox labeled Delete User Personal Data. This option is important because it controls whether your local MT5 data is removed along with the app. If you check it, Windows will delete things like your saved charts, custom indicators, templates, login history, and other personalized settings. If you leave it unchecked, the application is removed, but your personal data stays on the computer, which can be useful if you plan to reinstall and want to keep your setup intact. If your goal is a complete fresh reinstall or you're troubleshooting a persistent issue, choosing to delete user data can help you start clean. The Uninstall Wizard may also offer to remove related data to ensure you get that truly fresh slate. On the other hand, if you like your chart layouts and indicators just the way they are and simply need to reinstall quickly, keeping your data will save you time later. A quick reminder about what this process does and doesn't do. Uninstalling the Metatrader 5 app only removes the software from your local computer. It does not close or change your broker account. Your account remains with your broker, and you can sign back in whenever you reinstall the platform. If you decide to reinstall MT5 later, just download the installer again and run it. When the platform opens, you'll need to log in with your account details. If you kept your user data during the uninstall, many of your preferences will reappear automatically. If you chose to delete them, you'll simply set up your charts and indicators from scratch. That's it. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, uninstall Metatrader 5, and decide whether to remove your personal data. Follow the prompts, and you're done.